Now I've constructed an x, well, a horizontal and a vertical axis here. I don't even want to call them x and y because of confusion that can arise between what x might mean here and what it might mean here. So I'm not going to give these axes names at this point. Okay, now this is a quarter of a circle that I've divided up. And as you know, if you know the general procedure for constructing the sine graph, I can use symmetry to construct the sine graph for this quadrant, and this quadrant once I've got this one constructed. We're going to do the details of that. Okay, but right now what I want to do is, since I'm going to want to construct this for 4 quadrants, I'm going to want to divide the x-axis up into one, and I called it the x-axis, didn't I? The horizontal axis into 4 segments. Okay, so I believe you can see those marks, but let's just mark those 4 points. And now I've subdivided this interval. I did one subdivision, then another subdivision here and here, and another subdivision and another one. So I did a total of 4 subdivisions. So if I divide this interval 4 times, iterate the division 4 times, or iterate the bisection 4 times, I'm going to get the same number of points here that I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of that. Okay. So right there's our first subdivision, and I can draw the bisecting line. Again, it's not perfect. Again, these points didn't really, I think, align very well at a perpendicular, but maybe I'm not seeing it right. So anyhow, this is about where it ought to be. And then I can divide each of these intervals in a similar way. And naturally, this is a little tedious to watch, so if you already know how to do this, if you're sure you know what's going to happen, you can skip ahead a bit. If we're dividing this into a bunch of shorter videos, then you're perfectly safe. If you want to skip to the next short video, if this is one long video, skip ahead a few seconds. Okay, now again, this is imperfect. My instrument is not completely accurate, but right there is a subdivision. I can see with my eye that there's problems with this subdivision. It's not really very equal. However, we're going to assume, again, that this is being done with completely accurate instruments, and completely accurate instruments used with complete 100% perfect precision, which is of course physically impossible.